Oh, dang. So I asked to get off early and they let me off early. Super happy about that because I didn't think I was going to. So I'm waiting for my food and then I am headed home. Where's my food? I think it's right there. It's really cloudy today and I am obsessed with it. I love when it's cloudy. So pretty. So I was supposed to decorate today, but I think we're just gonna decorate tomorrow because right now I'm helping my mom cut cheese for the tamales, and then after I'm going to Lyss's house. So I don't really have anyone to help decorate with me today. Maybe I'm just gonna do it another day. Cutting cheese for tamales. Okay, so just finished helping my mom with the tamales. Head over to Lyss's and then you guys can see Stormy. Let's hope she's awake. If she isn't, I want to wake her up. Alright, so I just walked into Lyss's house, so let me show you how it is because it's super cute. Look at my love. Hello. Yes. Hello. It's okay. Alright, this is a cute Christmas tree. And then these lights, like it's just so cute. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, you don't care no more. Hello. Look how pretty you are. Oh, I know you want to hold it, but you can't. Look at the pretty girl. I'm not going to take a video of her too much because I'm using the light and I don't want her to be like blinded. Isn't she pretty?
Yeah, don't blame my child.
Don't blame my child. She's like, alright, Mom, help me.
Okay, she's becoming to look like me now.
Oh, look at her. Ah.
She did look like her dad, but now she's me.
Oh, how cute. Hey. Hey. Come here.
Her gets stuck sometimes. It's funny. That one right there, the other one.
Come here. You can do it. Come here.
Exposing my daughter not knowing how to crawl 101. Let's get you going. There you go.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. She's like, I'm gonna just sit right here and slowly start to lay down. There you go. Come on. Let's just make me dinner.
True mom at its finest.
What are you making?
Rice pilaf, chicken, and then I'm gonna make homemade chips.
What?
And I'm gonna fry them.
Delicioso.
Mom's gotta cook. I don't really cook though. Sometimes, but I'm in the mood. Which is not always.
It looks delicious. I love the lights. It's so cute. All right, I started eating because I forgot, and then Liz was like, why aren't you doing my outcome? Got her nice rice. What is it called?
Pilaf.
Pilaf rice. Her homemade potato chips. And some chicken.
I have a burger from In-N-Out because she works there.
I brought her a burger, but everything but that. I made that. Delish. Okay, so today went completely out of plan. Does that even make sense? So, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna decorate by myself tomorrow or do something. I don't know. We'll figure it out as day goes. But I'm gonna stop saying I'm gonna do something because I never end up doing it. So each day is just going to be a surprise. So stay tuned for tomorrow's surprise because I don't know what I'm gonna do. yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And